All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you had a great weekend. It's time for the end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from postwavetrading.com, home of the world famous post wave price trigger reports. All right, so it looks like we got it on and popping. Things are moving in these markets. A lot of things have transpired. Last week we had the Fed doing their thing, or should I say, not doing anything at all, leaving the interest rates exactly where they are, afraid to rock the boat. They don't want to cause a avalanche, and unfortunately, it's looking like that's going to be unavoidable at this point. All right, so yeah, let's talk about it. All right, so here is the Bitcoin futures. And you can see the market's leveling out here, just kind of just elevating, not going up, not going down, just pretty much flat here. But we still got the bullish trend momentum reading. The thing that's really hard to deal with is the fact that our bars have turned orange, and that means the beginning stages of a possible bear market. All right. Now, we're still in bull market territory, but the price action has been weak for so long and fallen so much that at this point in time, we're looking at the possibility of the top of the bear market. All right. This is never a good sign. You need the price action to turn back blue. You need these bars to turn back blue. Now, the bullish trend momentum reading can help keep the prices afloat, but unless the market rallies and get back some, and starts to turn these bars back blue, I'm afraid that the potential downside potential is catastrophic. All right. So just FYI, the market is on notice in Bitcoin. Looking at XRP Ripple, you're flatlined, you're neutralized rather. So nothing to do here, but you're in the auspices of a crash alert and the market's been pulling back. So something to think about here. Looking at wheat, all right, you got a bullish trend momentum in the beginning stages because you have a rally alert. Well, have we seen that before? We'll see if the market can get anything going. It's trying to bottom here, but the bear market is just holding on and won't let the prices go. Looking at soybeans, you're in a locked in bear market with lower prices coming. Prices keep falling. Looking at corn, you still got a bullish trend momentum reading, but the market's flatline. It can't base out, it can't rally. And so every time we get a rally alert and the market has an opportunity to do something, it loses it. And the green bar turns red again, and the bear market reclaims the price action, and lower we go. So until something really serious starts happening here, this one is just in a locked in bear market, man. And I don't think that's going to change. All right, looking at silver, we got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. That psychological $22 support is now in jeopardy. And we also have this right here. You got this negative bot check, which means a big down leg is coming. Next up is the Nat Gas. Nat Gas now has turned green. We got a bullish trend momentum reading. Price action is starting to creep back up again, trying to get above that $3 mark. This market has been down for so long too. But now, because the weather is changing, the seasons are changing, looks like demand's going to pick up and Nat Gas is getting poised to take off. So this is one to watch now. Looking at that Dow, free fall status. Down she goes. It's looking like you have the potential for a runaway market to the downside. Next up is the Nasdaq 100. Same situation. The market is in free fall. It's falling off of the cliff, and we could be looking at the potential of huge downsides coming. Gold also had that negative bot check. A downside's coming with the crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. 1900 support is now in play. E-mini S&P 500 also in free fall. You guys don't want to know how far these markets can go, but we're talking hundreds of points, maybe even in the thousands of points. Looking at crude oil, we had that crash alert up here. The market gave you initial downside production, then kind of flattened itself out. But now you got another crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. $80 is the technical support level. I think the market comes down here and hits that, and then sideways for a few days. And then I think the market will use this rampage to get back up into the 90s. But first, a $9 pullback should be coming. Looking at the euro free fall status, and you got the beginning stages of a bear market. This could be the top of the bear market you're looking at in the euro. This means that the euro now has the real possibility of dropping below par. Crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Pound sterling free fall, beginning stages of a bear market. You could be looking at the top of a bear market here. This could get ugly also for the pound sterling. Looking at the Aussie bullish trend momentum reading, market is also struggling to find footing. You're getting close right here to the bottom of the Kumo cloud, which will push the prices back down again. And don't forget, this is still a bear market. You're trying to get a technical bounce enough to get a bear market rally going, but this market has really struggled. I think the price action is going to bear this market out to the downside. Next up is the Russell. Bearish trend momentum reading, you are in free fall. 1700 is now in play. Looking for this market to drop below 1700. Absolutely. In addition to that, the next one we got here is copper. Copper has been in a bear market as well, and it has been struggling. And you can see here it's locked in bear market. Expect lower prices coming still in your copper. Ethereum, just like the Bitcoin, but worse. We don't have a bullish trend momentum reading. We now have a bearish trend momentum reading. Locked in bear market for Ethereum. We're looking for the price action to drop below 1500. I told you about that. This right here, because of where this market is, this market has the potential to drop back below $1,000, folks. Please be prepared. Please be ready. Things could get really nasty here in these markets over the next few days and the next several weeks. It is not looking good at all. I'm not going to sugarcoat things. I'm telling you right now, the potential for big moves in these markets are here. You don't need an official crash alert or even an official negative bot check to see big parabolic moves to the downside. All you need is for the market, the price action to be in the position of a bearish trend momentum reading, which is the majority of securities right now. All right, the Dow, the S&P, gold, all right, copper, um, the pound sterling, the euro, Bitcoin futures, not as much, but definitely in your Nasdaq and your Russell and crude oil and silver. All of these markets are in a bearish trend momentum reading, which means that they have the potential to have parabolic moves without news. All right, without technicals, information that you can glean from a chart. You don't need news, you don't need anything. It could just happen. The selling can just become exponential, and the bots can turn on, sense blood in the water, and just take these markets to levels that you don't even think is possible. All right, it can happen. Think May the 6th, 2010 flash crash. I want you to think on those along those lines. All right. All right, and I see you here. You want to see Cree. All right, we got time for one more till we roll out here. All right, so here's your Cree. It's in a locked-in bear market also, and you just went neutralized today on the close. So I'm looking for this one to be no trade for tomorrow. Nothing to do here. This is the KRE, the Spider S&P Regional Banking ETF. As you can see, it's looking bad. You're in a bear market here with a bearish trend momentum reading. The only good news is that you got neutralized for tomorrow, which means that there's a strong possibility that the market will not head lower tomorrow. But you're just fresh off of these 52-week lows, had a technical bounce here, and now the market's starting to come back down. Looks like the bear market support low is now in play. All right, folks, you know what it is. The system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button, and I'm out.